In this video series, we're going to focus on the tooltip, and what we're going to do is we're going to explore how we can create these kind of tooltips, and these are completely customized tooltips in HTML. And it's quite interesting because with this you can modify anything in the tooltip itself. So let's start and explore how we can do this right now. So to start off, I have here a blank browser right now. You can see here it's completely blank, and what I recommend you to do is, and that's how we're going to start, we go here to this website chartjs3.com/docs/chart/getting started, and here we have, this is basically the site where I'm using as a default mode is the getting starting code, and if you need to know the video, you can watch here the video to explain how this works. But basically what we can do here is just copy all of this code here. And once we did that, we copy this, we just paste it in here and save. The moment we do that, we go back here and there you are. We will have a default chart ready, and with this default chart we will start. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my chart.js course where you can learn everything about chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.